how to add GIFs to TikTok comments. So if you want to add GIFs to your TikTok comments, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your TikTok application. Now after opening your TikTok, you need to go with the video in which you would like to add GIF. Now after opening your TikTok, you just need to simply go with a video. Like for example, I'll go with this one. Now if you want to add GIFs, then go with the comment icon which is on the right side. And here you will find the GIFs icon beside the emoji. Or if you click on the emoji, you may find it there. But if it's not available, like in my case, it may not be available. What you can do is simply check if it's available in your region, or you can simply open up your Play Store and search for TikTok and update it if you have any updates. Sometimes not updating may not add some options. And this is how you can add GIFs to your TikTok comments. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.